You tapping in real quick. Something light, nothing major. UFC 307 taking place in Salt Lake City, Utah, where the light heavyweight strap is very much up for grabs in the main event between Alex Poetan Pereira and Khalil, the Warhouse Roundtree Jr. You know what I'm talking about? Listen, real quick, man. My most confident picks in order. My most confident underdogs in order. And that'll be that with that, man. For me, it's three. Those three come together at plus 172, and that's Cesar Almeida, Alexander Hernandez, and Joaquin Buckley. Those three come at plus 172. Of course, I am also extremely confident in Kayla, but at minus 670, almost 700. She doesn't do a whole lot, but she does take it over to plus 200. So if you add in Kayla, which I have, you know what I'm talking about, Cesar Almeida, Alexander Hernandez, Joaquin Buckley, and Kayla Harrison, those four come together at plus 212. You know what I'm talking about? And, you know, if you're on the side of these four individuals to get the job done, then right now, you know, you might want to parlay these four individuals up before the price tags get a bit ridiculous. And that's Alex Pereira, Cesar Almeida, Alexander Hernandez, and Joaquin Buckley. And as of right now, you can catch those four at plus 223. Now, for me, you know, my most three confident is Cesar Almeida, Alexander Hernandez, and Joaquin Buckley. My three most confident underdogs are Jose Aldo, Ovin St. Preux, and Roman Delice. Delice, however you say Roman's name. Cesar, Alexander, Joaquin, Jose, Ovin, and Roman. And, you know, that's my haymaker. And when I put those six together, those three favorites and those three underdogs, they come together at plus 47.52. Then I'll toss in Khalil for my Hail Mary, and that comes together at, boy oh boy, plus 23,674. But being a bit more realistic, if Khalil ends up getting finished by Alex inside the distance, because I personally don't think Alex wins the decision, but he might. But if he gets old boy out of there inside the distance, either way you look at it, if Alex is the one that's winning and keeping the title, then that 7 flag for a Hail Mary comes together at plus 5,674. So Cesar, Alexander, Joaquin, Jose, Ovin, Roman, and Khalil, plus 23,674. Swap out Khalil for Alex, and Cesar, Alexander, Joaquin, Jose, Ovin, Roman, and Alex come together at plus 5674. But keeping it light, keeping it safe, not going crazy. You can give me those 3 legs and those 4 legs all day long, and then just apply swap out options, you know, to them if you don't want to get too crazy. And that's Cesar Almeida, Alexander Hernandez, and Joaquin Buckley at plus 172. You're tossing Kayla Harrison. That's Cesar Almeida, Alexander Hernandez, Joaquin Buckley, and Kayla Harrison at plus 212. And in my personal opinion, that's eliminating all the matchups where there's question marks on one side, let alone both sides. You know what I'm talking about? So that's that with that. I ain't going to hold y'all ear hostage for any longer than I already have. We already crossed over the 4-minute line. And, you know, if you like if you like Alex Pereira, Cesar Almeida, Alexander Hernandez, and Joaquin Buckley, those 4 favorites come together as of right now at plus 223. For me, my 3, Cesar, Alexander, Joaquin, plus 172. My 4, Cesar, Alexander, Joaquin, and Kayla at plus 212. Appreciate y'all for tapping in, man. I'll be back in, you know, to chop it up about the parlays and all that. But that's my most confident picks. Those are my most confident underdogs. You know, that's that with that, man. Peace and blessings.